Is differentiation a topic that you find difficult? Do you find it difficult calculating derivatives, understanding how you calculate derivatives, maybe understanding the chain rule, the quotient rule, the product rule, or maybe just understanding how to differentiate certain types of functions like trig functions, exponential functions, log functions? Then this video is for you, because what I'm going to show you is a playlist here on my channel, which actually has about 75 derivatives for you, where I go through the process and calculate 75 derivatives. So if you go to my channel here, A Level Maths Teach UK, when I started the channel, most of my videos were on differentiation, just solely differentiating functions. So you want to go to the playlist tab here on my channel. So you click playlist, and you'll see I've got a playlist here called Complete Guide to Differentiation. So you want to go to the Complete Guide to Differentiation playlist. And then if we just view the full playlist, when my laptop loads up, yep, you will see we've got a load of videos here. So differentiating x to the power of n, sine, cosine, tan. Well, tan's actually not there, but it's a bit further down, tan. So I've done this all in chronological order. So the playlist here is all in chronological order. So the way that I've done these videos is such that you would watch all of them all in a row. Obviously, I know that's not feasible. But yeah, I mean, the idea is that as you go along, you assume, or we have assumed, the previous video's knowledge to do the video that you're watching. That's basically what I mean. So yeah, you've got a range of derivatives here. We differentiate sine, cos. We prove the chain rule. Differentiate e. We differentiate ln. 2 to the power of x, prove the product rule, the quotient rule, as I just said, differentiating tan, cosec, sec, cot, arcsin, arc, cos, arc, tan, we differentiate those ones. So we differentiate these hyperbolic functions as well. So if you do A-level maths, you don't need to know how to differentiate these. You don't even need to know what these are. But if you're doing A-level further maths, then yeah, you will obviously need to know how to differentiate shine or cinch, depending on how you call it, and cosh and tanch. Cosec, sech, coth, r cinch, r cosh, r tanch. Sine squared, cot squared, tan squared, you all need to know how to differentiate that. Log base 10 of x, arc cosec of x, arc sine of 1 over x. So all of these derivatives here, and we've got some more hyperbolic ones here. If you see like an h at the end of the function, basically it's an A-level further maths derivative, not an A-level maths one. So you can ignore that if you're just an A-level straight A-level maths student. Then we got summaries of each one. So a summary of the derivatives of cosec, sec, and cot. The inverse ones as well: arc sec, arc cot, arc cosec. And then the hyperbolic ones as well, summaries of those. And also finding derivatives or differentiating x to the power of x. That's an interesting one that you all may want to take a look at, because it's a combination of exponentials, logarithms, the chain rule, the product rule. So it's a bit of a combination of everything there. The modulus of x, differentiating the modulus of x, that might be a useful one for all of you to see. Yeah, the modulus of x to the power of modulus of x. I mean, I doubt you'd be asked to do something like that, but it's good to see. It's good to practice these kind of derivatives, because it's applying all your rules, like your chain rule, your quotient rule, your derivatives of logs. So ln of sine, so again using the chain rule for that one, so that's a derivative you may want to have a look at. Ln of cos and modulus of cos, how you differentiate that. So again, it's a little bit different, tiny bit different to cos x, because we want to use the chain rule to do that. And again, you'll see how we do that using the chain rule. So you get the point. This playlist is a complete list of lots of derivatives. Obviously not every derivative in the world, because we'd be here all year, all day, the rest of my life. So I don't. I will do some more in the near future, hopefully some more examples of derivatives. But hopefully all of these here. I think we got how many videos? 74 videos here. So yeah, do check out this playlist. So Complete Guide to Differentiation, A-level Pure Maths. That's the name of the playlist that you want to check out. And again, if there is anything that takes your fancy, say, let's say you want to look at the proof of the chain rule, then you can just go to, I can't find it now. Where is it? There we go. Yeah, what is the chain rule and how do you prove a chain rule, for example? Then that's the quotient rule would be somewhere, product rule somewhere as well. So yeah, again, you can look at how we differentiate all these different functions using all the rules, and hopefully that does help you improve your differentiation. Unfortunately, I've not got one for integration yet, but hopefully in the near future, I'll have a load of integrals to do when we get to that there. As you know, if you've been subscribed to the channel, or if you're new to the channel, I mean, let me just go to my channel and just um, show you where we're up to in the list of topics that we've done. So, I mean, yeah, I've covered logs and exponentials recently. That's been my recent videos here. So, ln's, ECX's, these kind of functions. We were doing a lot of trigonometry stuff recently. So, we've not got onto calculus, differentiation, integration in my A-level pure math series of videos. But if you are struggling with differentiation before the upcoming exams this year, or if you're watching this in another year like 2024, 2025, so on and so on, again, these videos are all here for you. Go to my playlists, and then we've got a complete guide to differentiation there. Exponentials, logarithms, A-level maths exam advice is my exam advice playlist here. So we've got lots of different playlists um, to help you out for your exam. So yeah, hopefully this was a useful video for you. In particular, for those of you struggling with differentiation, do check out this playlist. But other topics as well, we've got a playlist on many topics. So exponentials, logarithms, trigonometry, sequences and series, binomial expansion, coordinate geometry, graphs and function transformations, the theory of functions here, reciprocal functions, modulus functions, algebra, so stuff like binomial expansion again, that kind of stuff, partial fractions, quadratics, laws of indices, surds, and proof as well. So we've got a lot of different videos for you, or playlists, I should say. So do check these all out, and hopefully they do help with your upcoming exams and your revision.